ya mamsuna Akipi kanua tapu kanua ya atekerai tosom kaneko to mosoroti nesko pana ya Ationis ne Paul noi neja itunga ne daidumuna jebe ajauna ambalo itunga lwejini kinos anuakira nua Maria Akipi koto maboisho kanua edumuna antar adiopet koto motosoma Akipi amis ngesi abalebe mame patana akiratona adumuna Akipi ne ilosia jo Etupuru kitoni bon
Ationis na Akipi bachi kati wale jiri tidolo la swamu na wame sisama Akipi ajerikani mikuda ajerikani raja lo seto kwa kutikini nyali abu nyodi kasidi gweno re nyo kwa erada kitwera lo wamichelo sosomero
bongo kininu kamanara keda amamsuna Akipi koto motunga engineer na ada ya peslo ya itakira tona Akipi kaneko soroti wendi ngesi abuiti yena ebe amamsuna Akipi neselomo mutnarai jai kopane kodetlo engineer slide we pontos koto mo Kampala luda utasi aswamna ejulujula choman laije koto mo tangila polon loda esipokina awoja.
We have received several complaints about the no water cases, but the issue is the water is there, but it is not sufficient. It is not enough for the population at hand. So right behind me, we have a project that is ongoing. The contractor is outside. As you can all see, this project is aimed at expanding right from the tank up to the treatment plant and up to the tank up at the row. So this project is going to be a mega project. We are going to have enough water since there is going to be a mega expansion. In about a year or 6 months, the whole community authority will be able to get water. The capacity of our treatment plant is 240,000 cubic. So in a year, we expect that we shall be operating at full capacity, and we believe that this water will be enough for the people of Soroti.
Yatakinenuke manager lo Aitemokin Akipi kane yapese alo soroti jakaisam akol ngeza buito dia Aitemokin neja yateker kanu amamsuna Akipi yabungesti jena ebe aswamna utalo sekotoma oja nesemuno angetakina toma pakina euriana odumne titonga Akipi kwa ebeitor
iko pani Akipi we are producing is not enough amedol tos kwa Akipi ne kosetunga ade para Akipi ni jamune sai ochore kwa kosa uta attack na Apaipo ni jamuna Akipi ochore babe attack na Apaipo ni babingara Akipi o plant e babingara yeto mokne tanks no PI Akipi ngo ni pokara Akipi o tanks no PI customers ke ndu kana Akipi asomna wala palo kanyet o karu dana somna kere beta semalo sa konye awse de konay ejani ni customers Akipi kada e plan de lemse jamu che parasha mamenos kwa ngini
Kanua TV is Felix Osujo Kosoroti.